Exercise routine for knee pain relief. These exercises are specially designed to treat and strengthen the knee joints. Perform each movement slowly, gently, and without jerks. In the beginning, repeat each exercise 5-7 times. Be sure to rest between exercises. 1. Straight leg raise, lying on your stomach. Slowly lift one straight leg up, hold for 1 second. Slowly lower it down. Repeat 5-7 times with each leg. Benefit: strengthens the thigh muscles and reduces pressure on the knees. 2. Bent leg raise, lying on your stomach. Bend one leg at the knee, lift it slowly, then lower it back down. Relax once the leg is fully down. Repeat 5 times with each leg. Benefit: improves blood circulation in the hip and knee area. 3. Straight leg raise, lying on your back. One leg straight, the other bent. Slowly raise the straight leg. Gently lower it back down. Switch legs and repeat. Benefit: strengthens the knee joint and improves joint fluid movement. 4. Double knee pull, lying on your back. Lie on your back with both knees bent. Gently pull your knees toward your stomach. Slowly release and relax. Repeat 5 to 6 times. Benefit: restores joint mobility and improves flexibility. 5. Side straight leg raise, lying on your side. Lie on your side with the top leg straight. Slowly lift it up and hold for 1 second. Gently lower it down. Switch sides and repeat. Benefit: strengthens stabilizing muscles on the outer side of the knee. helping support joint alignment. Seven, toe flex and point, lying on your back. Raise one straight leg. Pull your toes toward you, then point them away. Repeat 7 times, then switch legs. Benefit: activates blood circulation, reduces swelling and pain in the knees.